Victoria's riflebird, scientifically known as Ptiloris victoriae, is a remarkable bird species native to the rainforests of northeastern Australia. Renowned for its extraordinary courtship display, the male riflebird showcases a striking combination of iridescent black plumage and a vibrant blue-green head crest. It is known for its intricate dance, in which it spreads its wings and dramatically flicks its tail feathers to attract females. Named after Queen Victoria, this avian marvel continues to captivate nature enthusiasts and birdwatchers with its stunning beauty and unique behaviors.